Friends, today in this course we will discuss on SEO and learn about off-page SEO. Here we are going to discuss about what is off-page SEO, what are its benefits, and what is the checklist for off-page SEO, how are off-page activities performed. Friends, without using the off-page feature, there is no possibility for you to rank in SEO because it is a very important factor in SEO. In addition, you are going to get a lot to learn in this course in terms of both practical and theoretical knowledge about SEO. But first it is important to know what is off-page SEO. So now first we are here going to understand that. What does it mean by off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is also called as off-site SEO, just as the feature on-page SEO is also called as on-site SEO. So off-page SEO, it is also known as off-site. For example, to understand, we can see that if this is your website, then the on-page SEO refers to the work done on your website, but in off-page. Anything that is a third-party website, directories, apps which are here present in off-page SEO, also the third party you are working for. So the work that you do on these third-party websites, apps and directories will help you to get a backlink. All the necessary actions that which are taken outside of your website, and the impact of those action affects your ranking, which helps you increase your ranking on the search engine page. That is what is the meaning for off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is not something that is done on your website, but it is done on third-party websites. And its impact is on your ranking. Now, why does this happen? Why is this important? Why off-page SEO is an important factor? Let's look into this. Now, within off-page SEO, as we can see the example here, that, for example, if we look at an off-page SEO strategy, the actions taken outside are also important, just like if you have a property. For instance, consider that you are owner of a property. Whatever its value will be, the value does not depend only on what materials are used in making it, what is the design that is used for it. But along with these factors, it also depends on other factors that are known as outside factors. The place where your property is. What is the neighborhood like? What does the area surrounding it looks like? Its premium, has metro nearby, and every facility is available nearby. All those factors matter. Only then does the property holds value. The location, the space it has are all important. In a similar way, if we perform the off-page activities better, then that will help us in generating more and better backlinks, especially from the higher authorities available, which will make our website trusted by more search engines. As trust is built with search engines, our ranking starts to go up. And that is our main factor here for SEO. What Google sees. Google takes into account all these off-page factors such as backlinks or brand mentions, as you can see here. Then it decides accordingly what rank your website should get. Where should you get it? Your ranking is decided on that basis, and it is a very important deciding factor. Now further, let's understand. Friends, as you can see here, what is the checklist for off-page SEO? Let's take a look at it. You might be wondering and searching, where is the checklist for SEO? Just like we had a checklist for on-page SEO, and we also had one for technical SEO. But here I just have written backlinks, backlinks, backlinks. Where is checklist? So friends, because the foundation of off-page SEO is made and is entirely dependent on backlinks. So just counting the names won't be enough. In this course, you will get complete tutorials on backlinks and on the various different types of backlinks that are used. In this course, you will be taught how to generate backlinks. What should be kept in mind when we are generating backlinks with a website. When you learn all of this in the course, you will gain much better clarity on the topic. When you will practice what you learned, you will gain expertise and you too can become an SEO expert. So what is off-page SEO? Why it's important, you understood. Now moving on to backlinks. And for practical and theoretical videos like in the technical issues, I had mentioned some important points and checklists in on-page. Similarly, we have those for backlinks. We will also give detailed tutorials on these main factors, which will be followed by practical practice for the same. So don't miss anything to learn it correctly. Thank you.